If you are preparing for a job interview, there are just 5 functions that can instantly make you look like a pro, even if you are not. Excel is not about memorizing formula. It's about understanding how to use them in real situations. In this video, I will walk you through 5 major Excel functions with simple practical examples you can actually use in interview. Let's start with the most basic, but also the most important function. Sum function. Imagine you have a list of daily sales. Instead of calculating total yourself, you just use sum to get the total in a second. Go to the total cell, write equal sum and click tab. Then you will see number 1, comma, number 2, number 3. Click on first amount, that is E5. That means it's in E column and 5 row. Click on mouse and select all. That's mean calculate all numbers. Then press enter. And that's it. Now if you any amount change, also total will change directly. Now let's level up SUMIF function. This function adds numbers based on a condition. If you have a table with different products, you only want to calculate total sales for like laptop or window, SUMIF does that directly. Why it important in interviews? Because it shows you can analyze data, not just calculate it. Write equal SUMIF, then click tab. First you will see the range, that means the list of product that you will choose one product from it later. Then comma. Then write products that you want to calculate total sales like laptop or window. Then comma. Finally the range, that means the list of total amount, and that's it. Now you calculate total sales for laptop only. Product function. Multiply numbers together. If you are calculating total revenue, you can just write equal quantity star price. And that's it. Max function gives you the largest number in the range. You want to know the highest sales in a month or the top performing day. This is used reporting and dashboards. Min gives you the smallest number, lowest sales day, minimum cost, or smallest value in a data set. Why it's useful? Companies often track both best and worst performance. When explaining this in an interview, don't just say that formula. Always give a real example. For example, I used SUMIF to calculate total sales for a specific product category. That alone can make you stand out from others. If you understand these 5 functions, you already have a strong foundation in Excel, but this is just the beginning. In the next video, we will cover more advanced functions like if and VLOOKUP that companies actually test you on. Make sure you subscribe to level up your Excel skills step by step.